In this short tutorial, I will show you how to take a screenshot in Chrome's Incognito mode. Normally, Incognito mode doesn't allow for taking screenshots due to privacy and security concerns. However, by tweaking some settings, you can capture what's on your screen without any hassle. To get started, open up the Google Chrome web browser. And then tap on the URL bar at the top. After that, type in exactly this. Once you are on this page, tap Search Flags. And then search for Incognito Screenshot. Now it will show you this option. To take screenshots in Google Chrome's Incognito mode, tap where it says Default. And then change it to Enabled. Now you've enabled this feature. So what you want to do next is relaunch Chrome. To do that, tap on the Relaunch button at the bottom right. Now, if you go into Incognito mode, you can take screenshots of whatever you like. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.